Imagine a truck so big, it's almost impossible to believe it can even move. Well, that's exactly what we'll be exploring today. Loads that break records, set new standards, and make you question how any of this is even possible. Get ready to see some of the most mind-blowing cargo hauls on the planet. Today, we're about to hit the road, but not just any road. We're talking about the highest cargo truck loads ever made. From towering shipments to jaw-dropping weight limits, these monstrous loads are pushing the limits of what trucks can carry. So buckle up and let's roll, because what you're about to witness might just leave you speechless. Ever seen a submarine on wheels? Well, you're about to. This is no ordinary cargo. It's one of the heaviest, most unique hulls in the world. Imagine the challenge of transporting a fully sized submarine, designed for the deep, but now navigating the open roads. Think you've seen big trailers? Well, brace yourself for a true giant on the road. This is a 50-meter cargo, and it's redefining what it means to transport the extraordinary. At an astonishing 50 meters, this trailer is not just long, it's a monster. Carrying loads that would normally require multiple trucks, it's built to handle the most massive cargo imaginable. Ever wondered how a house can travel? Well, today we're showing you the unbelievable journey of an entire home on wheels. That's right, this isn't your average cargo. It's a house being transported by truck. From foundation to roof, this is one heavy-duty haul. With homes getting bigger and more complex, engineers have perfected the art of moving entire buildings from one place to another. But with the right equipment, anything's possible. Take a look at this colossal piece, making its way across land to its final destination. Transporting huge ship components isn't something you see every day, and today, we're witnessing one of the biggest challenges in cargo hauling. This cargo weighs tons and measures in at a mind-blowing size. Moving a piece like this requires more than just a regular truck. This isn't your average piece of equipment. We're talking about a state-of-the-art, gigantic control center that manages everything from power grids to industrial machines. And it weighs many tons. From complex systems to the road itself, transporting a control panel of this size is no small task. It's all part of keeping the world running smoothly, one button at a time. Take a look at this beast. A giant bulldozer that's about to be transported from one job site to another. Moving something this massive is no easy feat. And today, we're showing you how it's done. With tons of weight and sheer size, getting this bulldozer onto a transport truck requires precision and specialized equipment. A custom trailer, multiple hydraulic lifts, and careful coordination. This truck is carrying massive loads of freshly cut timber trees that are ready to be used for construction, paper, or other industries. But getting them through a dense forest and across a river? That's crazy work. As the truck approaches the river, the real challenge begins: navigating tricky terrain. Transporting logs is no easy task, but add in sharp 180-degree curves. Now you're talking about a real challenge. Each of these turns requires perfect timing. If the driver makes one wrong move, those trees could shift and jeopardize the entire load. It's all about balance, control, and experience. But with the right equipment and expertise, it's a job well done. From the factory floor to the docks, moving an engine this massive requires precision, power, and a whole lot of careful planning. We're talking about a colossal marine power unit that can propel a massive ship through the open seas, weighing tons and measuring several meters long. This propulsion system is the heart of a rocket, responsible for providing the power needed to break through Earth's atmosphere and propel spacecraft into orbit. It's heavy, delicate, and incredibly advanced, making its transportation a serious challenge. Wind turbines are one of the most efficient ways to harness renewable energy, but transporting their massive wings? That's a whole different challenge. These wings are designed to catch the wind and generate power, but their size, reaching over 60 meters in length, makes them a challenge to transport. Transporting a fully assembled main deck of a ship? Now that's a logistical masterpiece. This isn't just a piece of metal. It's the foundation of a ship, where crew members will walk, cargo will be loaded, and operations will take place at sea. But before it hits the water, it needs to get from the shipyard to the assembly site. Once on the road, the real challenge begins. With a load this wide, every turn, every bridge, and every incline must be calculated down to the centimeter. Transporting a huge cargo like this isn't something you see every day, whether it's for transporting, industrial equipment, or even a high-security enclosure. Moving a structure this massive takes skill and planning. This structure, it's built to withstand extreme conditions. With reinforced steel and a custom frame, it's designed for durability and security. Transporting long pipes might sound simple, but when they stretch over 30 meters and weigh several tons, it becomes a serious challenge. These pipes are crucial for large-scale construction, oil and gas projects, or even water distribution. But before they can be installed, they need to make a long and careful journey. Transporting gas is always a high-risk operation, but when the trailer is 50 meters long, the challenge reaches a whole new level. This tanker is designed to transport thousands of liters of compressed gas, making it a rolling bomb if not handled with extreme care. From the reinforced structure to the advanced pressure control systems, every detail matters. Moving oversized loads isn't just about horsepower and trailers, it's about the drivers. These professionals are the backbone of the industry, responsible for safely transporting massive and often dangerous cargo over long distances. But what does it really take to become a heavy-haul driver? These aren't your average truckers. Heavy-haul drivers are highly trained specialists, dealing with extreme weight, unusual dimensions, and unpredictable road conditions. It takes skill, patience, and years of experience to master the art of transporting oversized cargo. Before they ever hit the road, these drivers go through intense training. They learn load balancing, route planning, special permits, and safety procedures to ensure every haul is executed perfectly. Understanding weight distribution is critical. A load that isn't perfectly balanced could tip over, damage roads, or cause dangerous instability while driving. This is why heavy-haul drivers take turns slowly and cautiously. The wrong angle, speed, or terrain can put the entire load and lives at risk. This job isn't just about knowing how to drive. It's about endurance and focus. Long hours on the road, navigating through narrow highways and unpredictable weather, require drivers to be in top mental and physical shape. Unlike regular trucking, oversized loads require constant attention. Drivers need to be aware of every movement, making micro adjustments to keep control of their massive trailers. Even after hours of driving, the work isn't done. Regular safety checks ensure that straps are tight, tires are in good condition, and everything is secured before continuing the journey. Despite the challenges, these drivers love what they do. Whether it's hauling massive turbines, bridge sections, or even entire houses, they take pride in knowing their work keeps industries moving. Without these professionals, some of the biggest engineering projects in the world wouldn't be possible. They are the ones making sure the impossible gets delivered, 1 mile at a time. So next time you see a convoy carrying something massive, remember, it's not just about the load. It's about the driver behind the wheel, the skill behind every turn, and the journey that makes it all possible.